In this video, I'll share how we developed an interactive story map to highlight a project in the drought-prone dry corridor region of Honduras. This story map is a capstone product for a multi-year food security and children's nutrition project, which integrates visuals, text, and maps to illustrate the context and project and the project impact. As you know, story maps are a compelling medium with which to illustrate the geographic context of a story, whether it be a media report or a project profile. We developed this story map product using the Mapbox storytelling template. So this is Mapbox's flavor of story maps. This solution has great documentation and developer tools that enabled us to efficiently design a custom map style and to develop this interactive story map. Mapbox's template is a low-code solution which consists of boilerplate HTML and JavaScript files that can be customized to tell your story. It is, quote, low code, but to get all of the juice out of the solution, you'll want to tweak the CSS styling and adjust the JavaScript parameters to make your story map unique. The main interactivity in the solution is scrolling. It is built using Scrollama.js, another JavaScript library that handles when and how certain windows appear as the user scrolls. The building blocks of your story map are much like that of any other story. They're chapters, each of which has a specified map view and associated block of text. The JavaScript code defines each chapter's geographic coordinates, zoom level, and view angle, as well as which layers from your map style to show or hide. In this way, the reader's attention is guided from place to place while providing them with a narrative in the text boxes. We've extended this template to integrate photo slideshows, infographics, and videos. The photo slideshow is built using a popular JavaScript library called Slick. The beauty of this solution is that it is fully customizable and can integrate with other JavaScript libraries. So to get started, you need a story to tell. In our case, we chose one that for which we already had media, project reports, and data on hand. The text and multimedia can be complemented by the custom geographic data, which you would either want to have on hand or generate. This could be, for example, the location of project partners or jurisdictions where the project was implemented, or any type of feature that you want to show in the story map. The main requirements to begin creating a story map is having a Mapbox account, which includes a very generous free tier. Included in your Mapbox account is Mapbox Studio, which is a web application that allows for custom styling of interactive base maps. So the process of developing a story map could be thought of as consisting of two roles which collaborate and iterate. These two roles are that of the storyteller and the developer. The storyteller's role is to identify the audience, develop the narrative, organize the chapters and media assets, provide feedback to the developer, and to determine an engagement strategy. The developer's role is to translate the story into code, integrate the storyteller's feedback, and to make technical recommendations about the structure and content of the story. Technical skills required for this type of solution are our time and willingness to try out front-end code like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Also resourcefulness. There are a lot of resources online in the larger community like GIS Stack Exchange or even GitHub, Mapbox, and elsewhere. You also need a development environment that works for you, that allows you to build and iterate. For us, we started with a glitch solution, and glitch is a web-based tool for collaborative web development. But then later on, we switched to using kind of like a desktop solution, including GitHub uh, for version control, and we used Node.js, which is a lightweight server, so that I could do local development. You also need basic data management skills and the ability to generate GeoJSON files to upload to Mapbox Studio. And then from there, you'll figure out how to style them and read the different zoom levels and see how that all works together.